Imagine a persistent, low-frequency hum, not from a refrigerator or distant traffic, but from everywhere and nowhere at once. For some, this isn't imagination, it's their reality. This is the hum, a perplexing phenomenon reported by a small, frustrated percentage of people worldwide, often described as a distant diesel engine idling, heard mostly indoors and at night. Scientists have proposed everything from distant seismic activity and ocean pressure waves to electromagnetic resonance or even mass psychogenic illness. Yet no single theory fully explains its elusive nature. Is it a unique geological echo, a secret military experiment, or perhaps our planet's own silent, unheard heartbeat? The hum continues to baffle, leaving those who hear it feeling isolated in a world of unseen vibrations.